The 2022 Toyota Tundra Crew Cab, a large pickup, earns a Top Safety Pick Plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety thanks to improved performance in the two small overlap front crash tests and better headlights. To earn either of the Institute's two awards this year, a vehicle must earn good ratings in 6 crashworthiness evaluations, including the driver's side small overlap front, passenger side small overlap front, moderate overlap front, original side, roof strength and head restraint tests. It must also be available with a front crash prevention system that earns advanced or superior ratings in both the vehicle-to-vehicle and daylight vehicle-to-pedestrian evaluations. For the lower-tier Top Safety Pick, at least one good or acceptable headlight system must be available. For the higher-tier Top Safety Pick Plus, good or acceptable headlights must be standard across all trims. The Tundra is available with good or acceptable headlights, depending on the trim level, as well as a standard front crash prevention system that earns superior ratings in the vehicle-to-vehicle and the daylight vehicle-to-pedestrian evaluations. The popular pickup also earns an advanced rating in the nighttime vehicle-to-pedestrian test, though that evaluation is not a requirement for a 2022 award. The Tundra's ratings represent a substantial improvement over the 2021 model year, which fell short of an award because of marginal and poor ratings in the driver and passenger side small overlap tests, as well as marginal headlights.